Welcome! Now that you are enrolled in remote fulfillment with FBA, it's important for you to keep track of your offers. Your ASIN status report will help you with this task. Once Build International Listing tool has finished creating all your listings, you can go and check your ASIN status report. This file will help you keep track of which ASINs are eligible to be sold through remote fulfillment, require an action before you can add them to the program, have been removed from the program. Go to the Inventory menu and then select Remote Fulfillment with FBA option. On this page, you will be able to generate your ASIN eligibility report. Click on Generate to have the latest version. When the report is ready, the button Download will be activated. Click on it and get your report. With this report, you can also add or remove ASINs for Canada and Mexico in the ASIN status report. An ASIN can qualify for remote fulfillment but not be enabled for sale for a variety of reasons, including a problem with the listing or lack of inventory in the U.S. That wraps up the Introduction to ASIN Status Report. To learn in detail the use cases, keep watching our Remote Fulfillment with FBA videos. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!